Are you eating an egg on a weight loss diet? It's right for you as it means losing weight without depriving the body of the required nutrition. Eggs are eaten all over the world and are considered the best breakfast. Eggs contain a lot of nutrients, protein and healthy fat. But hold on, do you know that you can lose those extra inches and belly fat by eating eggs? Yes, it's a fact, because eggs are deficient in calories, which helps in weight loss. A medium-sized egg contains only 60 to 65 calories. The egg accelerates the metabolism of the body, which increases fat-burning speed. Note: the most important thing is to note the correct timings of eating eggs. Eat eggs timely to get complete nutrition. Eggs can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet and may support weight loss and overall health when consumed as part of a well-rounded meal plan. Here are some reasons why eggs can be beneficial. Protein content. Eggs are a good source of high-quality protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Protein also helps maintain and repair muscles, which is important for overall health and body composition. Nutrient density. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamins like vitamin B12, riboflavin, and choline, and minerals like selenium and phosphorus. These nutrients are important for maintaining a healthy body and can contribute to overall well-being. Low in calories. Eggs are relatively low in calories, making them a good choice for those looking to control calorie intake while getting essential nutrients. Fat profile. Eggs contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can support heart health when consumed in moderation. Versatility. Eggs are versatile and can be prepared in various ways, making it easier to incorporate them into your diet. Protects bones. Presence of vitamin D in eggs help the bones stay strong. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and maintains optimum bone health. Eggs therefore play an important role in preventing osteoporosis. Boost brain power. Eggs are an excellent source of B vitamins and mono and polyunsaturated fats necessary to support a healthy nervous system and brain. Notes the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing. It is the powerhouse of nutrients because it contains iron, vitamin B and D, magnesium, calcium. An egg is a healing agent for bones pain and fracture. You can try eggs for a hair regrowth and to prevent hair fall. The reason why is they are full of protein, which is a building material for body cells, skin, nails and hair. Eggs help maintain your eyesight. As we get older, we need to take better care of our eyes. Egg yolks contain large amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, helpful antioxidants that help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration in the eyes. Eggs are also high in vitamin A, which is beneficial. It's important to note that while eggs can be a healthy part of your diet, balance and moderation are key. Pairing eggs with vegetables, whole grains, and other nutrient-rich foods can help you create balanced and nutritious meals. However, individual dietary needs and preferences can vary, so it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on how to incorporate eggs into your diet in a way that aligns with your weight loss or maintenance goals and overall health needs.